Good morning, students. Today we are going to do a very interesting color experiment.
Wow!
Look at the hard disk. I have 3 glasses and 2 colors and 2 tissue papers.
Sir, what are we going to learn from this experiment?
Today we will learn how 2 different colors can mix together and make a new color.
Which colors are we using today?
Today we are using yellow color and purple color.
What is inside the middle glass now?
The middle glass has only fresh water. There is no color is in it.
Why are you keeping the middle glass empty?
Very good question. We will understand after the experiment is complete.
Sir, what are these tissue paper for?
The tissue paper will help the colored water move from one glass to another glass.
They really move through tissue paper?
Yes, absolutely right. Yes, water can travel slowly through tissue paper. This process is called capillary action.
Sir, what will happen when purple and yellow mix together?
A good question. Let us find. We have to mix the purple color in the first glass.
And now you are pouring yellow colors into the third glasses.
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Show microscopes and codes we rule. Sciencetech National School.
Now, I am folding the tissue paper like a bridge.
Minds, no fear, no fear. We spark, we shine, we rule the scene. Electric dreams, a brilliant team. Science tech, we make it cool. At National School, we break the rules.
Sir, the tissue paper are touching both glasses.
Yes, it is very important to touch the both corner. Now we will wait and watch carefully.
Sir, I can see the purple water slowly moving up the tissue paper. The yellow water is moving through the tissue paper.
Yes, good observation. What colored water is moving through the tissue paper to the middle glass?
Sir, the middle glasses is changing color. It is not purple and it is not yellow. It is becoming red. Yellow and purple color mixing and making red color.
Very good.
Sir, this experiment is so amazing and beautiful. Now I understand how new colors are formed. Sir, colors can travel through the tissue paper and mix in water. Sir, this is like magic, but it is actually science. Sir, science becomes fun when we see it with our own eyes.
Very good, student. Colors can mix together and make a new color.
We learned that purple and yellow make red. We also learn about capillary action, and this experiment helps us understand in a simple way.
We rule the scene.